Welcome to the Caroma 500 watt electric scooter review. We did this whole thing yesterday and I didn't realize till halfway through that the microphone was unplugged. So Carly's randomly going to be showing up in this video here and there. After we set it up, we're going to take this thing outside and see how it performs with 2 people on it. Let's set it up. I think my favorite thing about this is the lights. Watch me turn them on quick. Oh yeah, let's go. This thing has lights on the bottom. They actually flash when you squeeze the brakes. It's got an actual light in the back, a headlight in the front, and then the whole display is really nice looking, especially coming from a Sur-Ron. This display looks more like a cell phone and the Sur-Ron looks more like a calculator. The wheels are pretty big. They have no air in them, so they can't ever deflate. The back of it has a nice big rear shock, so it should do pretty good going over bumps and stuff. And overall, this thing is pretty big. It says it can take 285 pounds, but me and Carly are gonna push the load on that. It says it has a top MPH of 20 miles an hour. It says 20 to 25 miles of range and 500 watts. So it's warming up outside a little bit. Let's take it outside and let's see how this thing performs. About to try it with 2 people on it. It's wet and icy right here. Full speed. How fast we can go with 2 people down this little hill. I filmed this without
Wait,
think about,
let's rotate this.
Scooter.
Wait till I'm back over here. The Caroma electric scooter is super cool. It has a really long battery life. The tires are non-inflatable, so they're super nice and durable. Go over different terrain. Goes up to 20 miles per hour in sport mode. I really like it.
What if I need to go like 20 miles to work? Does it have a 20-mile range?
That was an idiotic question. I already went over it. It can go up to 20 miles.
So what do you think of it?
It's pretty fun, super cool, get you around fast, better than walking. I think you guys should check out the Caroma electric bike. Electric scooter.